A tip when installing the two pulleys on the rear derailleur, because you are going to hate your day if you don't go the right way. This one is the bottom one, so the thing goes like this, and usually this is the small one. Also pay attention which way they go. Sometimes they go just one side, and I can also add, before I show you the tip, the screws are not always both the same length, so pay attention which one goes where. But my tip is, before mounting the chain, start with the top pulley. So this is the top one, and oftentimes I think it's the bigger of the two. Install it, pass the screw, and you see I don't have the chain installed at this point. Just put the screw, and this one takes a tiny Allen screw, and look at the screw goes right underneath the frame. It's extremely difficult just to access the screw, so you need to rotate it, put the spring in tension. So installs only the top one, the bigger, usually the bigger one. Put the screw in place with both plates, tighten it, but don't fully tighten it down, just screw it a few turns. And when you finish doing that, just rotate this plate. Again, you want to pay attention how the chain goes. Pass the chain through this, there is kind of a bump. It's going to pass on the pulley. Just sit the chain like this. I'm working one hand. And only then insert the smaller pulley. Is going to go like this. Yes, I did drop that washer. And only then pass the chain, insert it, and then attach the second pulley with its screw. And when you finish attaching this one, screw down the screw for the top pulley, tighten it down correctly. This way you work only on this top pulley first, without any chain, without anything else, and it's going to be less difficult. I'm not going to say easier, just less difficult to put that screw back in place. And for this screw one, you do have enough space here to tighten it down. It's really difficult oftentimes to just aim at the hole with the screw. Just put the screw and just get it started with the bottom hole, but this way I think it's an easier way to insert this tool. I do suggest to just remove the bushings from inside and put a little bit of grease on the bushings, place them back in place. Is better than oil. All right, so this is one way. It's very difficult to access that screw in there, and even with a tiny hex Allen key, even just to aim at the hole at the top of the screw is difficult. So this way perhaps it is going to make things less difficult.